Is that ice cream and the freezer calling you? Oh wait, what about those donuts? They sure sound good, don't they? Are you tired of seeing inside to on every cover of the magazines and commercials? You can change that. Enaj Walk is a nonprofit modeling organization who provides you with comp cards, photographers, stylists, makeup artists, and fashion critics. Enaj Walk staff members came to the conclusion that since the majority of America's population is obese, doesn't mean that they are ugly, and we're sure that you are tired of all the skinny people. Are you with me? Great. You can change it no matter what your size is. Well, my name is Janae, and I'm here to help. I am organizing a modeling class and agency to help boost the reputation of big women, to help you find modeling jobs. Yes, modeling jobs, and you don't have to be a size 2. Interested? Great. There are many ways that you can benefit from this nonprofit organization. We will give you modeling classes, modeling jobs. You travel to different states and even countries for auditions. And the good part about this is that we get paid and you get paid.